Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining the formula to a simple but perfect inexpensive egg fried rice. It all starts from the rice. Yes, indeed that you could use a rice cooker to make perfect rice for every time you cook rice, but most of you I know don't even have a rice cooker, so we will be using the pot method instead. For the pot method, you want to use 1 cup rice to 1 cup of water ratio plus half cup of water. So it means if you are using 2 cups of rice, you'll be using 2 plus half cups of water. The half cup of water is used to be boiled off during the steaming process. Trust me that this is the perfect ratio for a fluffy rice. But before we cook the rice, we have to rinse and wash the rice until the water used to wash it turns quite clear. This process removes excess starches from them and will result in a better rice. Don't worry, this process won't take long, it will only take like 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in the rice and water into the pot, and you want to boil off the rice on high heat first, and when it starts to boil, immediately put on the lid and reduce the heat to medium-low heat and let the rice steam evenly for around 15 minutes or more and let it rest covered for 10 minutes. The result will be a fluffy rice with a really good texture. Now, for egg fried rice, you ideally want leftover rice as it has better texture for it, so let those rice that you have cooked sit for 2 to 3 hours or ideally overnight. It really ensures a very good non-sticky texture for the rice. Now that the rice is ready, let's move on to the next step, roughly mincing shallots. Yes, indeed that you can use garlic or onion for egg fried rice, but shallot might be the most efficient and simplest way to deal with egg fried rice. It's inexpensive, not as big as onion, so you don't end up with leftover onion that you cover with plastic wrap like half onions like that. It also does not contain too much moisture like onion and has a lot of depth in the flavor department like garlic. Mincing the shallots allows the shallots enzyme to break more, giving more flavor intensity, so you want to mince the shallots. It's also faster too. You can skip this step if you dislike spicy, but I personally like to use 1 deseeded bird-sized red chili that has been roughly minced for each portion. It allows to give more fragrant aroma, more complex taste, and most importantly a kick into your dish. I recommend you to try it out. Now all the preparations are done, let's move on to the wok or the frying pan. Heat the wok or pan to medium-high heat. Put in neutral oil like vegetable oil or peanut oil into the pan and heat it up until the oil is hot. Put in the minced shallots and fry them until golden brown and fragrant. Don't skip this step, it's very crucial. And right before they start to brown, add in the minced red chili and fry them all until fragrant. Be careful during this step. You don't want to burn them, they'll burn fast, so be careful not to burn them. Act quick. After they are all fragrant and the shallot has turned golden brown, crack and add in 2 eggs, break and stir them, stir fry them until cooked, and add in the leftover rice. Crank your heat up to high, stir fry them vigorously until all is well mixed and combined. And now for the spices and seasoning, add in soy sauce, salt, white pepper, and most importantly, MSG, or mushroom powder. 4 of them, in my opinion, are the most crucial seasoning to a good egg fried rice. For me personally, I like to add in some dashes of fish sauce. It allows more flavor depth. The flavor won't get too fishy, I promise. I recommend you to try it out if you have fish sauce. It really enhances the flavor depth. And last but not least, stir fry them all and mix them vigorously in high heat for a few minutes. Serve it in a bowl or plate and it is done. Egg fried rice. Simple and easy. It is salty, savory, cheap, and very easy and simple to make. It is a perfect dish for a lot of you that is on a budget but still want good food. I made 2 more styles of this egg fried rice. The first customization is Indonesian style egg fried rice. It is by adding sweet soy sauce into the egg fried rice during the cooking process. It allows a more complex and sweet egg fried rice flavor, especially if you like fragrant and sweet soy sauce flavor. This will be the perfect egg fried rice for you. It also looks beautiful. And last but not least, my favorite, the second customization is by adding Korean gochujang paste to the egg fried rice. This actually elevates and enhances the flavor so much by adding more umami, savory and spicy flavor to it. It also makes it look red, which is kinda looks cool and appetizing too. I really like this version. I really recommend you to try this one, especially if you like spicy food. It's basically like adding chili oil to your egg fried rice, which is also good, but Korean version of it, it's really good. And that's it. Simple and very inexpensive egg fried rice. And that's basically it for this video. Simple and very inexpensive egg fried rice. You can of course add meat like ham or sausage to the egg fried rice and garnish it to make it look richer with scallions or green onions. But let's just be honest here, we're here to make the simplest and cheapest with minimum ingredients yet delicious egg fried rice, not complex ones. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.